This 30-inch dual-fuel range by Thermador is part of the Pro Harmony series. It is all stainless, with a specially crafted gray glass on stainless viewing window and one Pro-style stainless handle. The range top consists of 3 heavy-duty cast iron grates and 4 raised pedestal cast-on brass star burners with removable caps. Burner output highs consist of 2 15,000 and 2 18,000 BTU burners, with an extra low 375 BTU simmer on 2 of the burners. The burner surface is an easy-to-clean black porcelain. Below the range top is a stainless control panel with 6 stainless knobs. 4 are burner controls with markers to help easily identify burners. One is for oven function, the other oven temperatures. There's also the control switch for the oven interior light. Inside the 4.4 cubic foot oven is a dark porcelain interior with 2 flat racks, 1 smooth gliding rack, 6 rack positions, 2 oven lights, and a convection fan.